Hey guys, it's Moneymaker001. In this video, I'm going to show you two of the best platforms as well as two of the best features of two best platforms which are really going super viral, and there is the greatest chance that you can sell your products or promote your Redbubble products, promote your print-on-demand products, or promote your affiliate products if you are going to take advantage of this opportunity in two of these platforms. Now the thing is that you know and you are very familiar with both this platform. One platform is YouTube and another is Instagram. Now the thing is that you can create one similar content and upload that content to both of this platform, and it will work on both of them. The thing is that you can create one Instagram reel or you can create one YouTube shorts. Now YouTube short is something which is really very new, and YouTube is pushing it hardest so that your most of the videos in Instagram reels or YouTube shorts have a greater chance of getting viral for the period of some time. Okay, so because YouTube short is relatively new, as well as Instagram reels is also going very high, and lot of people are going to these platforms, there is a huge opportunity that you can just start creating content for these platforms, and with this strategy you can grow your stores, or as well as you can grow your print on demand traffic. Okay, the thing is that you can create particular type of YouTube shorts to promote your Redbubble store as well as YouTube shorts and Instagram reels both. The thing is that you just have to target some particular niche. For example, I'm going to create a short about a dog, a page in which I upload YouTube shorts about dogs. That can be one of the channel. Or else what I can do is that I can create an Instagram page where I upload Instagram reels which are related to dogs. Now I am also having a Redbubble page in which I am selling t-shirt designs which are related to dogs, and what I will be doing is that I will be selling those items to the people. Okay, I will be selling the products which are designs which are related to dogs on both of this YouTube channel as well as Instagram page. And the thing is that I am creating one type of content, and that same content is working on both the platforms. In this way, there is a great chance that I will build up a very long-term audience, and in this way one of the best thing would happen is that it would be one of the way to monetize my YouTube channel or monetize my Instagram page, as well as I can monetize those things even with affiliate marketing. The only thing is that these are the things which really can bring you absolutely great amount of traffic in a very short period of time, but the thing is that you just have to use them with your intelligence as well as use them in a strategic manner so that you can build a long-term audience with this. And once you have built a long-term audience, that audience can be converted into anything. That audience can be converted into someone who is interested in purchasing t-shirt, or someone who is interested in doing affiliate marketing or purchasing some product with which you are affiliated, and you can earn some commissions. So this is the entire thing or the entire strategy. Just understand it as a whole, and the thing is that start building audience, because the thing is that no matter you are working on Redbubble, no matter you are working on affiliate marketing, no matter what the strategy is, the thing is that key to all the success in online business strategy is getting the most amount of traffic, and these are the best opportunities for you to get the most amount of traffic, and this is something which really works. One of my friend has grown his YouTube channel, who is just uploading short videos to YouTube, and he has experienced extraordinary growth. In just 2 months he is able to cross 1000 subscribers. As well as same happens with Instagram reels. You will be able to grow your Instagram reel page in a very short period of time. So this is something which is building up very fast, and this is the opportunity is still there. This opportunity is still there for you. Just grab it, jump on it and start. Okay, this is really important, and I would really love to share this opportunity with all of you, and definitely you can be a part of it and really quit your 9-to-5 job and start really making some awesome amount of money. I hope you got some value out of this video. I'm making a lot of mistakes in speaking, but the thing is that this video is important and Just press the like button, smash the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.